In 1986, Gary Heidnik had a twisted dream. He wanted to create the perfect family, so he turned his Philadelphia basement into a living nightmare. One by one, he kidnapped 6 women, chained them in a pit he dug beneath his house, kept them naked in the dark. When they disobeyed, he attached electrical wires to their chains and shocked them unconscious. He forced them to dig what he called their own grave in the basement floor. When one woman died from his torture, Heidnik did something unthinkable. He ground up her body and mixed it into dog food, then fed it to the surviving victims. For months, he beat them with hammers, tortured them with power tools, all while collecting their social security checks to fund his operation. He called it his baby farm. The women lived in complete terror until one finally escaped and led police to the house. What they found was a chamber of horrors with human remains scattered everywhere. Heidnik had turned ordinary people into his personal experiments and almost got away with it.